Welcome to your nervous system reset meditation. This meditation will help to guide you from a state of stress or maybe anxiety or fear and into a state of calm, peace, and where you can feel more equilibrium in your body. Go ahead and find a very comfortable lying down or seated position. Get as comfortable as you can, and then allow yourself to find stillness. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Open your mouth and sigh the breath out. Begin to just shift your awareness to your inhales and exhales. Tracing your inhales as they flow in through your nose, down the back of your throat, filling up your lungs. Then trace the breath back out of the lungs, up the back of the throat and out of the nose. And take a few breaths like that, observing the breath as it flows in, and observing the breath as it flows out. On your next exhale, breathe out all the way, emptying your lungs completely. And then on your inhale, focus on filling up your belly like a big balloon. Pause at the top of your inhale, feeling your belly expanded. And then slowly exhale, allowing the belly to empty, to soften. And again, inhaling, filling up the belly. Exhaling and allowing the belly to soften. One more like that. Inhale, belly. Exhale, release. On this next inhale, fill into the belly like a balloon. And then continue the inhale into your rib cage, feeling both spaces expanded. Exhale from the ribs first, and then the belly. Inhale, belly, ribs. Exhale, ribs, belly. Inhale, belly, ribs. Exhale, ribs, belly. Now inhale, belly, ribs, and continue that breath into your heart space, your chest and your upper back. As you exhale first, exhale from the heart space, then the ribs, then the belly. Inhale, belly, ribs, heart. Exhale, heart, ribs, belly. Continue that on your own a few more times, going at your own pace, as slow and deep as you can on those inhales, a little bit slower on your exhales. Feeling the breath moving in and out of the body like a wave. do that one more round. At the end of your exhale, just letting the breath go, releasing control of the breath, and allowing the breath to just breathe you. Again, just observing your natural inhales and exhales. Maybe noticing a deeper sense of calm and ease. Now bring your awareness to the crown of your head, the top of your head. And imagining warm honey dripping from the crown of your head down. With each space that it touches, you observe how it feels. You observe that body part, and then you allow it to relax. So feeling that warm honey dripping down from the crown, down your forehead, your third eye, the back of your head, and allowing them to relax. Feeling it move down past the brows, the eyes, the eyeballs and the sockets, the cheekbones, the ears, allowing those spaces to relax. Feeling that warm honey dripping down past your mouth, your lips, everything inside of your mouth, your jaw, the base of your skull, allowing it all to relax. Feeling it move down the neck, the front of the throat, the sides of the neck and the back, down to the top of the shoulders, allowing it all to relax. Feeling it move down your upper arms, your chest, your upper back, letting it relax. Feeling that warm honey moving down past your ribs, your sides, elbows, belly, lower back, lower arms, allowing all of it to relax. That warm honey moves down further to the hips, the glutes, the hands, all the way to the fingertips, feeling it all relax. The warm honey moves down the upper thighs, down past the knees, to the lower legs. Let it all relax. Finally, feel it move down past the ankles, the tops, the sides, and the bottoms of the feet, all the way to the end of each toe. Let it all relax. Feel the earth supporting the weight of your body. With each natural exhale, feel yourself melt deeper into the ground beneath you. Feeling the earth hold you, support you, and nourish you. Knowing that you are safe to fully let go, relax, and receive. Please stay here for as much time as you can until you slowly come back and continue on with your day. Namaste.